roof and flower pots on the windowsills. There lived a bright-eyed boy named Johnny. Johnny was a happy child. He loved to play, laugh, and run around the house. But there was one thing he loved even more. Sugar cubes, cookies, candies, anything sweet made Johnny smile. One sunny morning, Johnny woke up extra early. The birds were chirping and the house was quiet. Tiptoe, tiptoe, he crept into the kitchen, careful not to wake up Papa. There it is, Johnny whispered, spotting the sugar jar on the shelf. Just one little cube. He stretched up on his toes and plop. He grabbed a sugar cube and popped it in his mouth. But suddenly Johnny jumped. It was Papa, standing at the door with a curious look. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. A tiny sugar cube rolled out from behind Johnny's teeth. Papa raised his eyebrows, but then he smiled kindly. Later that day, Johnny got another idea. No sugar, he said to himself, but maybe one cookie? He tiptoed back into the kitchen, looked around and lifted the cookie jar lid carefully. But clink, the lid hit the counter loudly. Johnny, yes, Papa. Took a cookie? No, Papa. Tell the truth. Okay, maybe just one. Papa walked in and looked at him. Johnny lowered his head. Papa knelt beside him and said, it's okay to want a treat, Johnny, but lying isn't sweet. He gave Johnny a warm hug and said, let's make a deal. You ask first and I'll say yes if the time is right. After lunch, Papa took Johnny's hand and said, come with me. They walked down the road to a little blue truck with a sign that read, ice cream today. Really? Johnny beamed. Yes, said Papa, smiling, because today you were honest, and that's the best treat of all. Johnny chose a big cone with 2 scoops, vanilla and strawberry, and Papa got one too. They sat on a bench and licked their cones in the warm sunshine. Come with me. Johnny brushed his teeth, changed into his favorite pajamas with yellow stars, and jumped into bed. Papa tucked him in. Yes, Papa. Ready to sleep? Yes, Papa. Did you learn? Did you learn? Yes, Papa. Good night, my star. Good night, Papa. Papa kissed his forehead.